What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready to do our Hit Parade, our Ultimate Collection case break. We're giving away a box of Hit Parade, and we also have an autographed jersey thrown in a mix. So we're going to go ahead. We are live. Good luck, folks. We're not live for the break for another hour, but we might as well give you some time to do some trades. It's 10:32, just turned 10:33. And here's your teams. Here's your names: Josh to John, Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck, good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 10:33. 10:33. Last and final on the teams. Four timestamp is at 10:33. 10:33 it is. So Columbus is on top of the list to Buffalo at the halfway mark. And Washington to LA. Alright, there's your teams. Time to figure out the names and match them up with 10:33. Josh to John. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 10:34. 10:34. Last and final. Good luck, folks. There you have it. Let's copy you over. Fourth and final timestamp is at 10:34. And 10:34 it is. Corey Moore, top spot, man. Johnny Mojo, halfway mark. And John Boyd to Rob Davidson. All right, folks, here's your teams. Let's get them down. We got Corey Moore with Columbus, Jay with Nashville, Brad with Ottawa, Mark, New Jersey, Kelly with Toronto and Vancouver and San Jose. The Islanders is Tom, Stacy, Winnipeg, Sean, Montreal, Robert is Pittsburgh, Jay, St. Louis, Mark, Colorado, Brandon, Anaheim, Johnny Mojo is Buffalo, John, Washington, Besser, Oilers, Tim, Minnesota, Josh, Tampa Bay, Drew, Dallas, Jay, Calgary, John to Chicago, Theo, Arizona, Mark, Florida, Kelly, Boston, Josh, Philly, Kevin, Rangers, Lucas, Carolina, Kelly, Detroit, and Rob is LA. So there's your teams. We're live in less than an hour now for this one. We'll see you then. Good luck.